Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie a bridal gele, unconventional bridal gele, and the measurement for this gele is 70-30. You're going to make 8 pleats. Place in front of the head slanty and take the shorter one and bring it forward. Note your shorter hand is always going to come on top while the longer one goes under. Then you complete the process of forming your V. And when pleating, ensure that it's neat and properly done. So after pleating equally with the other side, you go ahead to pin down. You take your last pleat, bring it forward and pin. Just watch carefully. When you're done pinning, you take the longer hand, which is our 70, and move it all the way to the back. You take 4 pleats, pin at the back before you go ahead to start making your heights. This gele is very easy to do, so just watch carefully so that you don't miss any step. Ensure when taking your 4 pleats, they are equal and of the same measurement, of the same size. Take it carefully so that you don't miss any pleats. If you don't know how to take 4 pleats and pin at the back, there's a video, I'm going to leave it on the screen. There's a video of a bridal ace gele that I made with a short gele that's length 60. You're going to take it one after the other. You can go watch that video and follow that process. For this one, if you're not a beginner, you can just go ahead and take your 4 pleats and pin at the back. But if you're a beginner, go ahead to watch that other video. So this period, I decided to do different bridal gele, unconventional bridal gele that you could tie on your bride. See, we are done picking our 4 pleats, so we're going to pin at the back. Now we proceed to start making our heights. You're going to pick big in the middle, small by the sides. see it, our gele is taking shape. Please note, you cannot make an ace gele with a 75 inches. That's for V shapes. You can make it with a round shape gele, just so you know. But if you want to do a V shaped ace gele, you're going to ensure that it's a length 90. You get, so that you don't have any issues. Like this one now is a V shaped ace gele, but because it's 75, see, it doesn't get to the ends to make the normal ace gele. So that part now we are going to, you know, form something unique. So just watch carefully. There's a similar video on my channel. You can choose any style of your choice and tie on your bride or whoever you want to tie it for, either mother of the bride or someone that is going for child dedication. So do not sleep on this. Lots of money is to be made. After making your height, we then proceed to do our fan, which you can see small at the bottom, big on top. So just keep watching. Always ensure that you take proper measurements so that your gele is going to look bomb. Now after we are done arranging this side the way we want, you can pin it down. If you're having any difficulty, you take a thread, but ensure that it should be the color of your gele fabric. Then place it under of your gele and bring on top and tie. That's when you're done making the fan on that little part of the fabric that is remaining. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to pin it down. After that, you bring the excess forward, as you can see, and pin together. You see it. Now we proceed to cover the back and do finishing touches. We are almost done with our gele.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Voila, this is our gele. Please guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. You can also watch my other videos to get insights on how to tie various Gele styles. I'll see you in my next video, guys.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
Baddest. Beautiful piece. Bye.